Hello children. SST lesson number 13, Other Indian Cities part 2. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about a few more important cities in India. Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is known as City of Lakes, as there are two beautiful lakes, Bada Talab and Chota Talab. You can see in these pictures. In Bhopal, people speak Hindi and English. The climate of Bhopal is hot and humid during summer, and winters are cold and dry. People in Bhopal celebrate Ganesh Puja, Diwali, Dashera and Eid. Many industries are located in Bhopal like chemicals, medicines, tractors, electricals, textile and handicrafts. Many places are also there in Bhopal where tourists come and visit, like Vanvihar National Park, Chota Talab, Tajul Masjid, Gohar Mahal. Near Bhopal also there are tourist places like Sanchi Stupa and Bhimbetka. Children, do you know? People of city like to eat pan. Our next important city is Guwahati. Guwahati is the most important city in northeastern region. It is located on the banks of river Brahmaputra. People in Guwahati speak Assamese, Bangla, Hindi and English. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Is the part of Guwahati. Climate of Guwahati is hot and humid during summer. Winters are very cold. Industries in Guwahati are tea, silk, jute, oil and gas. Here in Guwahati, people speak Assamese, Bangla, Hindi and English. Main festival celebrated in Guwahati is Bihu. It is harvest festival. It is celebrated thrice a year. As you know that crops are ready and farmers are very happy. That's why this time they perform Bihu dance also. Many people visit Guwahati to see Kamakhya temple. Here in the picture you can see. And the picture of Bihu dance also you can see in this picture. So people visit Guwahati to see Kamakhya temple, Shankardev Kalakshetra, Umananda and the State Zoo. Next city is Jaipur. It is called Pink City. Why it is so? Do you want to know? It is very interesting. Because many buildings are made up of pink sandstone. That's why everywhere, if you visit Jaipur, you can see everywhere you can see pink buildings. That's why Jaipur is called Pink City. Children, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and the city was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. As I told you that it is called Pink City as houses in the city are made of pink sandstone. As Jaipur is in Rajasthan, that's why it is very hot during summers and very cold during winters. People in Jaipur speak Hindi and English. Main industries are tourism, jewelry, handicraft, metalworks, tie and dye, that is bandhani. Bandhani print saris or even fabric is also available. Marble work and stone carving. Children, people from all over the world, they come here to visit and see many famous buildings in Jaipur, like Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Rambagh Palace. There is also famous port, that is Amer Fort, and there is one observatory, Jantar Mantar. Children, popular dish from Jaipur is Dal Bati Churma. I think you also like. Yes, children? Yes. Next city is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Children, it is situated on the banks of river Gomti. Climate is hot and dry in summer. Winters are very chilly. Dear children, Lucknow is famous for chicken curry, that is done on fabric. You can see in this picture. It is a form of embroidery. Chicken curry is the form of embroidery, and Lucknow is famous for this. Lucknow is also called City of Nawabs. Many festivals are celebrated here, like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Muharram and Christmas. People come here to visit Bada Imambara. You can see in this picture, that is mosque, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower and Shahid Smarak. In Lucknow, Awadhi food is very famous, and the city is also known for Hindustani classical music and art. Next city is Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. In ancient time, it was called Patliputra. What was its name? Patliputra in ancient time. It is located on the banks of river Ganga. It is very hot during summer. Climate is very hot in summer, and during winter, mornings are very foggy. Fog you can see outside, and nights are very chilly. Main industry, sugar industry in and around the city you can see. Main festivals of Patna are Chhath Puja, Durga Puja, Holi and Eid. Here people speak Magadhi, Bhojpuri, Hindi and English. Children, popular dish from Patna is Litti Chokha and Sattu Paratha. Here you can see famous places like Golghar in the picture you can see, and Takht Shri Patna Sahib, that is Gurudwara. Agam Kuand and Patna Museum. Next city is Srinagar. Dear children, Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is situated on the banks of river Jhelum. You can see shikaras in the river and beautiful garden in the picture. And it is one of the most beautiful places on the earth. It is also called Venice of the East. Here summers are mild. There is a lake called Dal Lake, and you can see many houseboats and shikaras. Main industries are tourism, handicraft and dry fruits. People from all over the world visit Srinagar to see Dal Lake, Chashme Shahi, Shalimar Garden, Nishan Garden, Tulip Garden and Gulab Bhavan. Main festivals celebrated in Srinagar are Eid, Nowroz and Diwali. Kashmiri Wazwan is famous dish from Srinagar. Here people drink a type of tea called kahwa. It was about important cities of our India.